Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and at my house it is storming and the power's out. Yep, we don't have any power. Look, the light. Whoa! Whoops, okay. The light, as you can see, the light's not working. The attic fan's not working. Nothing's working except this. Yep. That's why you run things on 9-volt batteries. Simply for that reason. So yeah, let's just, you know what? Let's just pull all these. That and the VG8 Century, BNG1 TS, Chevron 4251, 4251. This is 4251. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's hard to pull with one hand. So I'm gonna set the camera up right here. And I'm gonna set the camera up. If you can't see it, I'm sorry, but yeah. Here's the pull station, and it's very hard to pull that. It's almost impossible. The red one's even harder. But yeah, there. And for fun, we'll just key activate it. Nope, still no power. The power won't be back for a while, I don't think. Right there. There's a look at them all. And now, whoa! Okay. Ah! Again, hello. Anyways, yeah. You set this. I'll find that other key. All right. There it is. And where's my firelight key? There it is. Okay. And this one. New Age Server Alarm actually did a no power system test. And yes, whenever I do get a panel, I will do a no power test. Like, not turn off the power either. I didn't turn off the power. Like, I was just sitting and I was like, uh-oh. There goes the power. Let's do the chevron. Would really help to get some light in here, but that can't happen. All the clocks will reset, except for the one in my bedroom, which has battery backup. The one in my room has battery backup, so it'll work in a power outage. Like these smoke alarms as well have battery backup, so that they'll work in a power outage. That's what battery backup is made for. Go ahead and reset that. And those things don't want to stay shut, do they? Right there. Whoa! Go ahead and reset that. Whoa. Ah! The VG10 takes 2 hands to reset. The screw model does. So that's why the camera is set down right. Like it's silent in here. None of the house noises. Whoa. Well, let's do that again. Here's the VG10. There we go. Old Firelight VG10. Well, mine's a Notifier VG10. Here we go, and lock that back up. Whoa! Uh-oh! That happens to me all the time, and the front of that's not damaged at all. The city tornado sirens, for any people who don't know, are able to work in the wet in. Even if the power grid and stuff is out, because they have backup generators. Yeah, they have backup generators for that reason. They have backup generators for that reason, for a power failure. That's why they have backup generators for this reason. Because let's say the sirens needed to go off, but they couldn't. Because of the thing. Because of the bad weather. So yeah. Putting those up. And I'll show you again outside. Well, it's not raining. I wonder if the storm blew all of the fuses. And we have to turn them back on. Wonder if that's the case. So the fuses tripped. Probably not. Everybody's having power failures. Is it off? 30 volts.